To understand how generative AI works, let's explore its layered architecture, from the hardware all the way to the user interface. At the bottom layer we have computer hardware. Training large language models, or LLMs, requires an incredible amount of computing power. These powerful processors, like NVIDIA GPUs, use parallel computing to handle complex calculations efficiently, not just for training, but also for processing user requests once the model is deployed. Next is the cloud platform. It enables developers to access vast computing resources without owning the hardware. Cloud platforms distribute computing tasks across connected systems, providing scalable, efficient power that reduces processing time, making AI accessible and faster. Moving up, we reach the foundation models, like GPT-5, Claude, or Stable Diffusion. These models are trained using extensive research and diverse data sources. They are accessible via APIs, allowing developers to harness the full power of natural language processing. With these models, switching between different AI solutions is effortless. To tailor these models for specific needs, organizations use infrastructure optimization. This involves fine-tuning models with specialized tools and techniques, ensuring they perform optimally for particular applications or products. Once trained and optimized, the model is ready to analyze data through a process called inference, where it generates responses or predictions based on new input data. This layer is called data layer, and at the top, we have the application layer. Here, users interact with the AI through apps, APIs, or plugins, making the powerful capabilities of generative AI available at your fingertips. From hardware to user interface, every layer plays a crucial role in bringing intelligent generative AI applications to life. Together, they drive the remarkable innovations shaping our world today.